Okay, my beautiful friends, here we are. It's Monday, November 18th, 2019, and let me tell you, we really do have to talk. Where to begin today is pretty simple, but we're going to need to back up to yesterday, Sunday. On a Sunday, notice the timing of this. You know, while people are out doing things, they're distracted. It was announced by the president, and he's thrilled about it, that the farmers are getting another bailout. Our economy is booming. You know that, right? Now let's back up a little further. We already know, I mean it's common knowledge now, the banks are being recapitalized, which is also a bailout. And everything else connected to what the Federal Reserve is doing with regard to the debt market, it's unbelievable. So right now, in your face, we have a bailout of the banks. No one's talking about it, except me and hopefully you to other people. This has been going on now since the Fed decided to completely rig the debt market again, more QE, rigging the repo market, the entire yield curve, and now the farmers are getting bailed out. Again, that's because our economy is so strong with the GDP revision, almost historic. This downward revision to GDP from a 1.9 to a 0.3, and you know this is a lagging indicator, so we are already in the negative with regard to GDP. Oh, it's great. This is just fantastic. This is a ploy, yet again, to push stocks higher. Earlier, stock futures were up nearly triple digits. I think they're about flat now. Why is that happening? Well, maybe you want to go look at crude oil. Crude oil, and I've explained this to you again, and I'm going to say it, as crude oil goes, so goes the market. Crude oil was nearing $58 a barrel. It came down a little bit. If they manage to push crude back up, the market's going to follow. Now, the narrative over the past week, despite all evidence to the contrary, is a trade deal is coming soon, a trade deal is coming soon, a trade deal is coming soon. What is this all about? Everything you're seeing is designed to push more cash into this market. This farm bailout that we got yesterday, that's all it was designed to do. We're getting more cash printed out of thin air, added to a digital screen, and being redispersed. This is socialism. If anyone doesn't understand that this is socialism or communism or fascism, well, then I think, you have a handle on what's going on. That's what this is. A redistribution of wealth. So all four of you that are terrified that one of the Democrats might win, and we're going to get socialism. Well, we have socialism now, under, the guy that walks on water for many people. It's amazing how he tried to pull this off yesterday. It makes me laugh, really does. On a Sunday, he's praising this. This is the greatest thing. Don't take my word for it. Google it yourself. He's thrilled about the farmers needing a bailout. The president is thrilled about the farmers needing a bailout. Or that they're getting a bailout. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. So right now you are bailing out the banks, or I'm sorry, I can't say that. The banks are being recapitalized, and this bailout for the farmers is a great thing. You know that. Yeah. And this kind of twisted reality is just fantastic. And more I explained to you that this was going to happen. We were going to get more bailouts. More industries are going to get bailed out here. Our economy is an absolute free fall. The illusion must be kept real by propping up the stock market. That's it. They're going to continue to twist your mind with the fake U3 unemployment number, which doesn't matter. It's the labor force participation rate that matters, and today we have less people in the workforce than during the financial crisis. But you can't know that either. No, because then maybe your brain will start to engage. Yeah. Anyway, that's where we are, people. Keep your eye on this market. Keep your eye on crude oil here. Cryptocurrencies are under a little bit of pressure today. So are precious metals. This is no shock to you. I explained to you that this is exactly what will be going on here. You can rest assured that more cash is going to be pushed into the stock market especially this time of year. The upper management of these corporations, the military-industrial complex, get paid. Their bonuses are based on year-end earnings, so it's all going to go up here. You can be pretty much guaranteed that a Santa Claus rally, which has already begun, is going to keep on going here, unless something dramatic happens. But again, every effort imaginable is being done now to keep cash moving into the stock market. And I firmly believe the timing of the farm bailout is, again, just to push stocks up at this time of year so the CEOs can get a big fat bonus check. I don't think there's been a president of the United States who really... Barack Obama was pretty bad with this too, but this guy, he takes the trophy here by pushing cash up the ladder into the upper echelon of society. The political elites, they're all winning here. We're losing, and that's the bottom line. Anyway, with that said, this guy here loves you a lot. Please share the video. See you later.